Hello and welcome. So, as we all know, if you're on Windows 10, so that Microsoft has stopped providing updating on Windows 10 from 14th of October 2025. One thing, you can upgrade to Windows 11 if your laptop or PC is eligible to that. Otherwise, you can extend for one more year under Microsoft Windows 10 security. So they will cover you for that, how to do that. I'm gonna tell you step by step here. So while you're here, first you have to create an account. If you have already, that's more good. Otherwise, just create an account. When you come here, create a new account if you don't have. I'm going to go with test 00123. Just make sure you remember 23 at outlook.com. Outlook.com, make sure it's outlook.com. Copy that, just remember. Oh, it's already taken. Let's add a few more words. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna add this to remember here, and password you can select whichever you like. So just select your date of birth. Then again, you can put your name, full name. Okay, looks good now. Skip for now, you can skip that, or you can go further with the procedure. Okay, that's done. You can close this now. Next, you have to open your CMD, command prompt, run as admin, and also you have to make sure you are in the admin profile, not in the user profile, because it's gonna ask you or prompt you to log in as an admin profile to sign in. While you're here, you have to search, edit, press enter. You will come to this window. From here you have to come to users, and then you have to find system, actually no, system, software, and then from here you have to find Microsoft, and then all the way down, I'm just going to expand it more. All the way down you will see WindowsNT, this one, expand that, CurrentVersion, expand that, and then when you come to here, Windows, you will see this ConsumerESU, click on that. And then before that, also just want to show you, you can come to update, check your update. This must be showing on your side. If this is showing, then you definitely have to extend the security, otherwise this is not covered in Microsoft security anymore. So even you check your security here or updates, there's not going to be any more updates. So we have to make sure we have to enroll here. So come back to our Registry, double click this one, you have to select 2, and you have to select this one, press OK, close this, and then you have to search or check for updates. Now this is showing enroll now. Click on this, this window will show to you with this one: enroll in extended security updates to stay protected. Next. We cannot enroll your extended security updates. Okay, sometimes it does that. What you have to do, you have to restart your laptop. I'm gonna do now. So after the reboot, you have to come to the same Windows update again and click on enroll now. You will see this pop-up window. Here you have to click next. So here the email, the account you created for the Microsoft one, the Outlook one, here you have to enter that. So once you enter that, you will see these two options: extended security updates valid until October 18, 2026, which is like next year. You will get a 1 year covered in this one, or you can say 1 year extension. So the first option is sign in into this PC with Microsoft account, which we already did with no extra cost. So this one is a second option, which is like a one-time purchase of 32 euros. So this way you can also buy this kind of license for 1 year of this price. So let's go with this option with no extra cost, or you can go with this as well, totally up to you. Click next and sign into this PC with Microsoft account to get extended security updates, no extra cost. Enroll. So we have to enter the password again. There you go. So we are enrolled up until next year. You can click done, and when you do that, it's also installing some more updates, and it's also checking any more updates as well. So once this is all installed, it's gonna show you on this side. It's also showing your PC is enrolled to get extended security updates. So that's all you have to do without paying any cost. I hope you like this video.